Hi guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can connect Notion to Google Drive. So without further ado, let's start. Now open your app and then you can see the option Help. Just tap on that. Next, click on Help Center. It will then direct you here. Help tutorials and documentations. And then you'll see Reference, Guides, and API. So what you're going to do is to tap on API Create Integrations. Next, just tap on Connections. After that, click on Browse Connections. Now from Connections, scroll down until you see Google Drive. After that, tap on Google Drive. Next, tap on Add to Notion. And that is how you can connect Notion to Google Drive. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.